Today we're going to discuss the proper way to open and close bleachers. Bleacherman always makes a video at the end of a refurbishment or new bleachers, and this video is sent to the owner for teaching purposes. And that's where the Bleacherman right now is advising the owner to make sure to look underneath for debris. A pencil or a can be more problems, especially with a motorized system. Now presently, the Bleacherman just swept the floor prior to opening the bleachers. The reason he does that is to keep the dust off the rollers on the motors and the wheels of the bleachers. He's checking behind the bleachers to make sure there's no debris. And once he's cleared that, then he installs the 110 plug into a wall outlet and plugs the end of the fitting into the bleacher. At this point, you can operate the bleachers and make sure they open and close evenly. If they do not open evenly, then you need to stop, go back to the beginning, and then find the debris that's stopping the bleachers from opening up parallel with the wall. As these bleachers are extending, the Bleacherman is looking behind the bleachers for the understructure so that if something happens during the operation, he can stop it and thus reduce damage. Now that the bleachers are open, the Bleacherman demonstrates how easy our P-rail opens and closes. It has an automatic spring-loaded mechanism for ease of operation. The Bleacherman right now is putting down a first row step because that first row is about 17 inches. And the best thing is to have all the steps evenly spaced. After the bleachers have been used and the event is over, then the operator turns the P-rail and checks the bleachers on top and underneath for any and all debris. You need to keep the bleachers clean on top and underneath. Now the Bleacherman plugs in the 110 system. He's looking underneath for debris. There he goes underneath. And the owners and the operator are also watching. After the inspection behind the bleachers, the Bleacherman is plugging in the controller, the 110 controller, and he's going to reverse the process and close the bleachers. When he gets the bleachers fully closed, he will unplug the wall outlet and the plug in the bleachers, and he walks away. There is no electrical under the bleachers. We also provide a video for the owner's records and for teaching purposes. If you any questions about the operation of the bleachers, just contact the Bleacherman. You'll see on the screen, and we could discuss whatever problems you may have.